Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, the unique you. Having a great sounding voice can be helpful, but it's not everything. Buyers look for a unique voice that's capable of pulling the listener into their world. Your voice is as unique as your fingerprints. It's been assigned to you. And that's a good thing. Many buyers don't know what they're looking for until they hear it. They may have an idea of the type of voice they want, but that can all change in a heartbeat once that special, unique voice is heard. Perhaps your voice. Now, if you're new to voiceover, you may wonder if you even have a voice for this business. You might be thinking, why would anyone want to hire my voice? And I hear this a lot. It's normal that thoughts of doubt might creep into your head when you're exploring something new. We have all experienced similar thoughts at some point in our lives. With all new things come new challenges, whether it's a new job, new task, new recipe, whatever. Don't let a challenge defeat you before you've even begun. VoiceOver is a fun business. You're on course for some of the most fun you've ever had. And remember, your voice is unique. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday on the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.